Well, the first impression is it smells really good in here. We had to wait about an hour before we could check in because they're quite busy, and they gave us a complimentary coffee while we were waiting. Otherwise, there isn't a complimentary coffee in the lobby like in a Spring Hill Suite in Marriott. So, as you enter, there is a bathroom and a closet, cupboard there. There is a nice TV, a very large bed. We're only here for one night, so I'll try to do a review post stay as much as possible. I think that's a sofa bed, but we'll check it out. And all of Marriott properties, they seem to have upgraded their lamps. These days we all need our electronics charged up and all, but the light shows that this lamp has seen better days. The thing is, there's two layers of the lampshade and one seems to have ripped. Nice bit of art, bit of shelf. Same sort of coffee setup as in Spring Hill Suite in Marriott, but here they've given us some water as well, and proper glasses. Who would have thought that is possible? Lots of storage space, table, chair. Chair looks quite comfy. Bed is nice and large. Yep, this one has a sofa bed inside, but it's probably good for just one person or two small kids. But it's there and available if a family was staying in this room. Oh, there's a balcony as well. And view of the turnpike or I-95. Not sure which one that is. I have seen something like this before, but can't remember where. I think Adagio in Vienna. It had something similar. But it's quite nice. Then the table is at your level and then you have extra space as well. There's a fridge here. They're keeping the same toiletries everywhere, and Spring Hill Suites it was the same. They're okay. They're nothing fancy, just their own brand. And a shower and a bath. This bath looks a little bit more slippery than the other ones. And plenty of towels. I think it's the same toilet paper as in the other Marriotts. Quality was okay. Not great, but alright. Not what I would expect from a Marriott. Let's see what's in the cupboard. A few more hangers than the last one. The same sort of hairdryer. One place for the suitcase, ironing board, and extra blankets should you need it. The staff at the reception were lovely, very helpful, and this corridor looks really nice and clean considering that it's a fairly light color carpet. This hotel is quite huge. Even to find an elevator it took a long time. But even being such a large hotel, they're completely full. So despite having the elite status, they didn't have any upgrades for us. But it's good we have a corner room, so, and nobody in front of us, maybe just one person next to us. So hopefully it wouldn't be too noisy. The bath was not slippery at all. It looked like it might be, but it's not. And the good thing is that these tiles are actually plastic. And normally you would think, oh, plastic, but then they are very hygienic and no grout to get mold and all of that. water pressure is okay, and the hot water comes straight away. So yeah, and for a quick shower, it's really good. So at the end of the stay, it was just one night, but a really comfortable bed, very decent pillows as well. There is a $9 charge for parking, so do watch out for that. And even though we didn't park overnight, we did get charged for that, but they took it off. Yeah, do watch out for that. They have a shuttle to from the airport, but obviously it takes a while. And those of you who, like us, are not used to Miami airport shuttle service, you actually have to come right out, even though there's gate numbers on the inside where you are. But for the shuttle, you have to come right out, cross 2 roads and then come and then wait. And in Courtyard, they have 2 locations, so make sure that for this location you say Doral and you get the different bus. So we first of all got on a different bus, and then we asked the driver, so that was good. Otherwise we might have ended up at a wrong hotel location. You can see plane landing from here as well, so it's that close to the airport. All in all, a quick, convenient place to stay near the airport. If you like the video, click like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you for the next travel and review videos. Bye.